morning, good evening, I don't know, good afternoon. So happy to be here, come all the way from South Brazil to speak with you guys in such a nice event. And I'm here to tell you guys a story on a new way to analyze and onboard suppliers. We're doing it in Brazil and Latin. It's pretty exciting. And I believe this way is the way to build the future of procurement. But when we talk about the future of procurement, we really have to know what kind of problems should we be facing. And I'm not that of a creative guy. I'm used to robbing ideas from special people. And I really saw this concept in a book from a very special person that's here with us, Eloise Epstein, as she told in her book in 2021, that one of the main problems within procurement organizations is that we're doing everything very isolated, in a siloed way. Everybody has its own supplier data, everybody's trying to collect and validate data in its own way, in its own portal, and that's a very big flaw from our procurement technology because it doesn't make our community stronger. It doesn't make us do things in a more efficient or more collaborative way. And we believe in Linkana, we have the solution is to do things more in a community, in a shared way. So instead of having each company, its supplier, or its way of collecting and validating data and getting insights, how about we have a universal way of doing this? And we call that the universal supplier profile, where you have everything you need to onboard, to register, and to analyze risk from your supplier, and also the best intelligence or insights or our own proprietary ratings, where you can analyze ESG and financial risks like that in seconds. So we are talking about banking, tax info, licenses, certificates, all of the data that really you need to know if your supplier is good or not, and even unique data such as relationships data, how many buyers were already with this supplier, or even if it was well evaluated or not. We are defining and creating the new standards in a way everybody or every enterprise procurement organization could do as the biggest providers or as the biggest contenders already are. We'll be doing that for at least 4 years now. We have over 120 procurement organizations within Linkana ecosystem, and more than 300K supplier profiles with unique proprietary data, not data you can scrap on public domains, but also financial data, banking data, contact certificates that we get through data that comes from suppliers in our standard, in our portal. So I'm here to make you guys all an invite to also connect your company. If you need data from Latam, connect to the first shared supplier data foundation in Latam. That's Linkana. Thank you guys for the time. I'm there in the booth for the startup launch. Thank you so much for having me. Bye-bye.